Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. So today we are going to Paramount Studios for a studio tour. So I'm really excited. I always wanted to go to Paramount Studios on my last few visits, but never had a chance to do it. So today we are just going to the Paramount Studios. So we are here at Paramount Studios, you can see, just at the entrance. So it's going to be a 2-hour tour. I'm not sure how much I will be able to film inside, but I really hope I can film a lot so I can show you. So yeah, so I think we are going to go inside and wait inside.